Hi, this is Sanjay Jain, ISV Architect Evangelist with Microsoft. This week we are hosting XRM Cloud Acceleration Lab in Redmond. I have a pleasure to have my good friends from CRM MVP community here as on-site advisors. Today we are going to share 10 top features of CRM 2011 in 10 minutes.
Hi, I'm Matt Parks with Avanade, and one of the key features about CRM 2011 that I'm really excited about are the enhancements around security. So first of all, we've got audit capability that comes with the product out of the box, so we can actually track changes as records are changed and actually see that history of who's made changes to the field. We've also got field level security, so we can actually protect fields based on a user's role and actually set it to either hidden or read only for those users. And then last, probably most importantly in my eyes, is team's ownership of records. So previously we had to assign records to a particular user, which produced problems in a lot of our customers. So now we can actually assign those records to a business unit or a team in the system and enable security to be tied to that team instead of the individual user.
Hello, I'm Sean McCarthy from ADX Studio. One of my favorite features of CRM 2011 is the new investments they've made into solutions. So solutions are a way to package customizations. This is important for customers because now there's a zero friction ability to deploy multiple solutions from different ISVs into their solution. It also is an important aspect of enterprise development because now you can integrate CRM solution development within your continuous integration environment. The other part of solutions that excites me, besides having everything into one package instead of having to do individual deployments of different parts, is that you can also now have solutions that go straight into CRM Online or into on-prem or partner hosted, and it's the same file.
I'm Kuba with NetWest. I come from Poland. One of my favorite features in CRM 2011 are the dashboards and charts. With charts, you can finally create dynamic charts with drill downs directly within CRM interface. You can have user and system charts, and that enables users to share and assign dynamic charts with others. In terms of dashboards, just directly in CRM interface, you can create your own page with dashboards, with charts, with subgrids that will present all the KPIs that you like, all the subgrids that you like, and your favorite views. So you don't have to create your own ASP.NET pages anymore, like it was in CRM 4.0. You can just create it directly from CRM interface, just with clicking.
Hi, Jerry Weinstock with CRM Innovation. The feature that I like most about the new CRM 2011 is enhancements to the user interface. There are actually two key enhancements. One is the ribbon bar, which makes it look very much like Office 2010 and gives a very clear, simple connection between CRM and the Office environment. The other component that I really like is the ability to have multiple forms per entity. This is really going to help and further enhance user adoption, and customers will be able to create forms that just perform and look the way they do their business. A information worker that's entering initial case information can have a very simple form, and then it can be passed over to a person that's doing the actual case support who may need more details and more information points on the form data they're working with.
Hi, I'm Girish Raja. I'm a technical evangelist with Microsoft. One of my favorite features with CRM 2011 is the Dynamics Marketplace. It's a fantastic tool for our partners and customers. For our customers, it's a great option to look at what's available in the ecosystem so they can check out the different apps that are available in the market or in the markets outside of them and take a look at some of the feedbacks and ratings that have been given by other partners and customers alike. And from a partner perspective, it gives them a great option to reach out to new markets that they haven't gone to before. And it also gives them a great opportunity to bundle up their solutions, upload them to the marketplace, and test them using the Microsoft platform-ready testing tools. So when a customer downloads it, they know they're getting the right set of tools, the right set of bids to get a fantastic experience. And in the end, it's all about the click, try, buy experience with our marketplace, and I'm sure it's going to make CRM 2011 a great success.
My name is Mitch Milam with CRM Accelerators, and the feature I'm going to talk about today is web resources. With CRM 4.0, we had to sometimes install files into the file system. With CRM 2011, we now have the ability to embed JavaScript, Silverlight, web resources such as images, HTML pages, etc. that are now part of an entire solution. So that's one package that gets distributed either in online or CRM on-premise.
My favorite feature in CRM 2011 is expanded globalization. We did have globalization in terms of multi-language, multi-currency in CRM 4, but with CRM 2011, we are talking 41 languages and 40 markets. The footprint is really expanded globally, and the key thing is that users can be in different continent, different country, different languages, and still talking the part of the same CRM organization. So a very powerful feature, and again, it's a free of cost. You can just download the language pack, install it, and you are ready to offer multiple languages to your multiple users within the same instance.
Hi, I'm Ross Lotharius with Avanade, and today I'll be talking about the Outlook experience from 2011. So in CRM4, the Outlook experience was a little bit disconnected, where you had the experience being a web-based experience. In 2011, they're going to be tightly integrating it with a full native integration with Outlook, where you have native forms, native grids, and you can really customize that experience and change that for a per-user basis. So you can make the grids have grouping capabilities, color coding, and just really providing a much better end-user experience.
Hi, I'm Giorgio Garcia Agreda. I come from Italy, and I will introduce the new feature and innovation that is present in CRM 2011. It's a very important difference with the past version, because finally we have the opportunity to manage documents inside the environment of CRM. So we have a complete integration with SharePoint 2010 and manage and store documents from every entity directly in a SharePoint site. We could have different SharePoint sites, and we could configure also the complete integration of entities in SharePoint coming from both sides. So from SharePoint to CRM, from CRM to SharePoint.
Hi, I'm David Yak with Colorado Technology Consultants. My favorite feature in CRM 2011 is the developer tooling, the ability to use the current set of Microsoft products, Visual Studio 2010, along with the current levels of all the language products, including first-class support for Silverlight. In addition, we also, for the first time, have integration with Visual Studio for having templates for building CRM applications, including an Explorer allows us to explore the assets that are on the CRM server.
10 in 10.